What is occurring, everybody? Welcome to Xhosa Kaya. I am so sorry that this lesson took so long, but anyway, it was worth it. I believe I'm going to teach you how to say the clicks. For example, Xhosa, my language that I speak, it is one of the three major clicks that we use. The three clicks are X, which is, or the C, which is pronounced and the Q, which is pronounced G. So I will now try to teach you how to say these supposedly difficult words to say. Now, I will start with I believe, a slightly simple one to say, which would be the C. Okay, that's C. All you have to do is just place the roof of your tongue, right on the roof, but you don't put it flat. It's just the tip of your tongue. Okay. So that's easy. Okay. Basically, and also how we pronounce our vowels is kind of slightly, is a bit different from English. I should teach you that in the next lesson. And then you have the X's, which is right. So like you'd say if you're riding a horse and go, to get the horse to go. So it's quite easy. It's just place your tongue on to the side of your molars. Okay. And then you have the Q's. And that the Q's are pronounced, alright? So that is A, O, U. It's almost like it's like a whiplash almost, or like but using your tongue. So you go like see how I place my tongue on the of my mouth. It's like I don't play. It's not totally flat. It's just the tip of my tongue. Not completely flat. A, E, O, U. So if you could make a video response to this one to see how well you're doing, and I will grade you, but I will kind of correct you where where you've gone wrong. But just make a video response so that you learn as well if you want to learn. So this is lesson 2. We shall see how this goes, and then we shall proceed to lesson 3. Have some respect, everybody.